Good evening, Dr. Vikram.
Good evening.
Dr. Vikram, indeed it's a very beautiful evening in a village side,
Yes,
and
yes,
a
very
lot of
nice.
herbs are there
Yeah.
in this area, and one of the herb is very close to you. It's
Yeah.
Vasaka.
Yeah.
So we just want information on this, how it helps, and what is the benefit? What are the benefits?
This beautiful herb is growing near me. It's called Vasaka. Vasaka in Sanskrit language, it is called Vasaka, but in Latin name is Adatoda Vasaica. So
Okay.
Adatoda Vasaica is very useful for all the lung problems, especially when there is increased production of mucus. So bronchitis, in case of bronchitis, there is increased mucus. In case of asthma, the mucus plugs they are holding, they are stuck in the bronchioles, stuck in the bronchi, and the mucus is responsible for so many problems in asthmatic patients, in bronchitis patients, in acute bronchitis patients.
Okay.
So the drug, even the modern medical system withdraws this drug called bromhexine. It's a mucolytic
Oh, great.
medicine which dissolves the mucus, takes out from this the chemical from this plant
Okay.
to make that drug.
So I
But
think I
yeah,
just want to interfere.
yeah,
We should show this plant to the viewers also.
yeah.
They
I
will be
want to add
excited.
that I don't recommend using chemical-based drugs and
Yeah.
taking the concentrated form, but I would recommend to use the herb as it is,
Uh-huh.
and this is or maybe the extract can be taken. This is a beautiful shrub. You see, this there is one flower today. Nowadays, the season is coming of flowers. You see, this is called Sinhasya in Ayurveda because of the flowers. Sinhasya means the shape of the flower is like a lion's face, lion's mouth.
Yes, yes, yes.
So Singh is called lion, and you see the pollens are there inside the petals. You see this, and it's a beautiful white flowers. So
Yes,
white
yes.
Vasaka, we are standing nearby.
Uh-huh.
This the leaves. What we do, we just take the leaves,
Okay.
pluck about 4 or 5 leaves, and just crush them, and
Uh-huh.
just crushing them and take the juice. Just
Okay.
take 1 spoon juice morning and evening of this Vasaka.
Okay.
And there are so many Ayurvedic medicines made from this Vasaka. Madhu is there.
Yeah,
Vasaka. So
this
many
maybe this
Vasaka
is not
capsules are
available
there.
everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Vasaka capsules are also there
Okay.
with us. So I give Vasaka capsule to morning to evening for all asthmatic and
Okay.
bronchitis patients, and
That's great.
it is having mucolytic action.
Okay. So Vasaka, using this Vasaka for all respiratory disorders is fine, or it's for some few disorders only?
It is not only useful for, I explained the chemical constituent bromhexine only. If you look from Ayurvedic point of view, it is a wonderful medicine for, it is for Rakta Pitta. Rakta Pitta is bleeding from anywhere in the body.
Okay.
So it can stop the bleeding also. Any
Okay.
bleeding from the gums, bleeding from the respiratory tract, bleeding, internal bleeding also,
Okay.
in bleeding in the piles also. It is cooling in nature. So Vasa
Okay.
is very bitter in taste
Uh-huh.
and cooling in potency.
Okay.
So it's very useful in
Bleeding
this
disorders.
epistaxis also, when the blood comes out from
Nose.
the nose, or the blood comes out from the throat
Oh.
during the cough. And
Okay.
if there is any, especially in the TB also, tuberculosis, people are coughing and the blood is coming
Yes.
due to strenuous cough, then we can use Vasaka.
Okay.
And so it is cooling in nature, it is not hot at all. So it's very good for even for internal bleeding, for piles, bleeding due to
Okay.
piles, all sort of bleeding.
So we have this Vasaka capsule, I think, and
Yeah.
is this used in any other formulation?
We can use it like a juice, Vasaka juice.
Okay.
We just take fresh leaves and crush them and
Okay.
juice.
Okay.
We can consume, we can make tablets of this. Vasaka leaves are useful.
Okay.
But I'm using capsules because
Okay.
people find it easier to use and convenient.
Thank you very much, Dr. Vikram, for this information. I hope people will use this Vasaka for all the things
Yeah,
they're
yeah,
suffering.
it is very. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.